You know that dream? The one where you're flying or talking to someone who's already passed away or living an entire different life. And in the moment, it feels real, like undeniably real. Then your alarm goes off. You try to hold on to it before it slips away, and it doesn't work. Here's the number that changes everything. Scientists estimate we forget 90% of our dreams within minutes of waking up. Not most, basically all of it. And today, you're going to find out exactly why, with the actual names, the actual brain parts, all of it. This all goes down during a specific stage of sleep called REM, rapid eye movement. It's the phase where your eyes are darting around behind closed lids, and it's where most dreaming happens. Here's the weird part. During REM, your brain is almost as active as when you're wide awake. So it's not a lack of brain activity. Something else is going on. Deep inside your brain is a structure called the hippocampus. Its job is to take an experience you just had and turn it into a stored memory, basically the vault that files away everything that happens to you. But during REM sleep, the hippocampus checks out. Researchers at Harvard have found that the areas responsible for shifting memories into long-term storage are essentially powered down during this stage. So the dream is happening, but the vault door is shut. Nothing's getting filed. Here's where it gets interesting. Scientists found a group of neurons called MCH neurons, and up until recently, these were only known for one job: controlling appetite. Nobody expected them to be involved in this at all. But a study published in the journal Science, funded by the National Institutes of Health, found that these MCH neurons switch on right during REM sleep. And when they fire, they do something specific. They actively block the dream's content from ever reaching the hippocampus. This isn't forgetting by accident. This is a group of brain cells whose job is to erase, on purpose, every single night.
There's a second piece to this. During REM sleep, levels of a chemical called norepinephrine drop way down. Normally, this is what helps your brain flag something as important and lock it into memory. Without it, nothing has a real chance to stick. So why would your brain evolve to work this way? Because if you stored every single dream, random nonsense would start blending in with your actual memories. Your brain seems to have figured out that separating what really happened from what your mind made up at 3 a.m. matters more than saving everything.
So next time you wake up desperately trying to hold on to a dream before it disappears, now you know exactly what's happening in there. The hippocampus offline, noradrenaline running low, and a group of cells called MCH neurons actively working to wipe it clean. This isn't a memory glitch. It's a cleanup system running every single night inside your own head. Drop a comment. What's the weirdest dream you've ever had? The one that somehow didn't get erased? And if you like learning how your own brain actually works, hit subscribe because there's a video like this every week.